Hello students, welcome to English class. In last class I have sent you one video about the spring poem. Maybe you have listened that one. And today I am going to explain that poem. And you all know about the spring season. And spring comes after winter. There are a lot of changes in the nature in that time. And already I have studied one poem about spring. And do you remember that? Yes, that is the poem March. In that poem also we have learned about spring season. And here in this poem, the poet is explaining about the natural changes of the spring and the activities of the spring season. These are all explained in this poem. This poem has written by Thomas Nashe. And let us know something about the spring season. Spring season comes after winter season. In that time our natural surroundings undergo a lot of changes and the cold weather change into the warm weather and nature becomes colorful and lively. Inspired by colorful change of this spring season, the people look cheerful and active. Is it? These are the changes we can see in the spring season. Now let us see the poem. Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then bloom each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo, jug, jug, pewee, to, vita, woo. The poet welcomes the spring season. Spring is a sweet season. It is the most pleasant season of the year. The poet describes the activities of the spring season. The poet says that everything seems to bloom in spring seasons. People are cheerful and happy by inspiring this spring season, and they are happy and very active because of their colorful surrounding. The young maidens come out to dance in a ring. The spring sun is casting a warm glow, taking out of the cold of the winter season, and the pretty birds such as cuckoo, jug jug, pewitavo. Here the poet explains the sound of the pretty birds. And these pretty birds come out of the warm nest and start to sing beautifully. The palm and may make country houses gay. Lambs frisk and play, the shepherd pipe all day. And we hear a bird's tune this merry lay. Cuckoo, jug, jug, pewee, to, vita, woo. The country houses appear cheerful and surrounding by the green palm trees and may flowers which are swing in the gentle wind, and the lambs which had been cooped inside the barns all winter season are now let out in the warm weather of the spring. The lamb jump and run playfully, and their shepherds are playing a cheerful song on their pipes. We can also hear the birds such as cuckoo join to the shepherd with merry tunes. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old wives a sunning sit. In every street these tunes our ears do greet. Cuckoo, jug, jug, pewee, ta, vita, wo, spring, the sweet spring. The gentle wind that blows over the green field brings their sweet freshness, and the daisies which have blossomed all over the field kiss our feet as we are walked along. All over the field and the village street we can hear the merry tunes of the cuckoo and their greeting to the sweet spring. The young people who are in the love and the old woman hear the birds singing and come out to meet each other in the warm and lovely spring weather. I hope you all are understood this poem, and next class I'll give you notes. Thank you, students.